Welcome to your URBANDI shelf. Inside the box, you will receive your shelf, mounting bracket, hardware bag, and installation instructions. To install the shelf, you will need a drill or a screwdriver, stud finder, level, and a pencil. Using a stud finder, locate the studs on your wall and mark their location with a pencil. A stud installation is highly recommended. However, if no studs are available and you have drywall, you can use provided anchors. If you have a brick wall or a tile wall, you can use appropriate anchors for your particular wall. Here are the anchors that we recommend for a brick or tile wall. Installation for the J-brackets and L-brackets is very similar. J-brackets will be oriented as so, and L-brackets will be oriented as so. Put the first bracket against the wall. Using a small level, make sure the bracket is vertically level. If a stud is present, drive in provided longer screws using an impact driver. If no stud is present, pre-drill and insert appropriate anchors before installing the bracket. Determine the location of the second bracket. Place a level on top of the brackets, make sure the second bracket is level with the first bracket, and secure the second bracket the same way as you did with the first. Place your shelf on top of the brackets, ensuring an equal overhang on each end. To secure the shelf to the brackets, use provided shorter set of screws. Using an impact driver, drive the screws from the bottom.